A very good morning to all the parents and my dear students. Once again, a warm welcome to the online classes of Erudite School of Learning, Fatehnagar. So, students, how are you? I hope so that you are fine, right? So today we will do the activity. Okay, we will do the activity games. आज हम क्या करेंगे? Activity games. Now, first let me introduce you the chart of body parts. Okay, see, आज हम आपको introduce करेंगे body parts. Now, tell me बच्चों कि what is this? This is feet. We have 2 feet, right? हमारे पास कितनी feet है? 2 feet. We used to walk by our feet, right? So now, what is the spelling of feet? F-E-E-T. Feet. Okay? Again, F-E-E-T. Feet. Now, students, tell me what is this? This is our eyes. What is this? Eyes. What's the spelling of eyes? E-Y-E-S. Eyes. Okay. What's the spelling of eyes? E-Y-E-S. Eyes. We have 2 eyes, right? See? We have 2 eyes. We used to see with our eyes. Very good. Now, students, tell me what is this? What is this? This is our nose. ये क्या है? Nose. And now, what is the spelling of nose? N-O-S-E. Nose. Repeat with me again. N-O-S-E. Nose. Again, आपको मेरे साथ repeat करना है, okay? What's the spelling of nose? N-O-S-E. Nose. Very good. Now, student, tell me what is this? This is our ears. ये क्या है? Ears. We have 2 ears, right? We have 2 ears. Now, what's the spelling of ears? Repeat with me. E-A-R-S. Ears. Again, repeat. E-A-R-S. Ears. Very good. We hear with our ears. हम ears से सुनते हैं, right? So we have 2 ears and we listen with our ears. We hear with our ears. Very good. Repeat again. Spelling of ears is E-A-R-S. Ears. Now, what is this? This is a big mouth. What is this? This is a big mouth. What's the spelling of mouth, students? Repeat with me. M-O-U-T-H. Mouth. Again repeat. M-O-U-T-H. Mouth. We chew our foods with our mouth. हम किससे खाते हैं? ये mouth. Okay? हम किससे खाना खाते हैं? Mouth. Okay? Repeat again. M-O-U-T-H. Mouth. Very good. Now, what is this? Students, tell me what is this? This is 2 hands. What is this? This is 2 hands. We have how many hands? We have 2 hands. Can you count with me? 1, 2. 2 hands. You can count your hands, right? 1, 2. 2 hands. What's the spelling of hands? H-A-N-D-S. Hands. Again. H-A-N-D-S. Hands. See? We have done the introduction of the body parts. Now you want to play a game? Let's play a game. Okay, आज हम activities games खेलेंगे. You want to play? Let's start by playing the games. Okay, आज हम games खेलेंगे. Body parts. Now students, you have to touch. Okay, you have to touch the body parts. Okay, if I say the names of the body parts, you have to touch. Okay, हम games में क्या खेलेंगे बच्चे? अगर मैं ऐसे body parts का नाम लेंगे ना, तो आप उस body parts को touch करना है. Okay, you have to touch the body parts. Okay, now firstly, the first body parts is feet. Okay, you have to touch the feet. Okay, फर्स्ट बॉडी पार्ट क्या है? फीट. तो आपको फीट को छूना है. ओके, नाउ लेट्स स्टार्ट अ गेम. ऑन माय काउंट ऑफ 1 2 3. नाउ टच द फीट. फीट, FEET, फीट. टच द फीट. वेरी गुड. आपने टच किया फीट को. वेरी गुड. नाउ अगेन टच द फीट. Very good. Again, touch the feet. Very good. Have you touched your feet? Very good. Now, touch your eyes. Now, touch your eyes. Show me your eyes. Touch your eyes. Very good. अब touch किया है eyes को. Very good. You have to touch your eyes. So this is the game we are playing. Okay, now we have one nose, right? We have one nose, so you have to touch your nose. Touch your nose, everyone. Come on, touch your nose. Very good. This is your nose, so you have to touch at your nose. Very good. Now you have to touch your ears. Touch your ears. आपको ears को touch करना है. Okay, so touch your ears, everyone. Have you touched your ears? Very good. So this is your 2 ears. Okay, touch your ears again. Very good. Now touch your mouth. This is the big mouth, right? So you have to touch the mouth. Touch your mouth again. आपको mouth को छूना है. You have to touch the mouth. Again, touch your mouth. Very good. Now you have to touch your hands. See, this is your hands. 2 hands. You have to touch your hands. Touch your hands, beta. Touch your hands, everyone. Very good. Again, you want to play this game? Let's play again. If I take the names, you have to touch. Okay? If I take the names of the body parts, what you have to do? You have to touch them. Very good. मैं अभी बॉडी पार्ट्स के नाम लूंगी, तो आपको क्या करना है? टच करना है. वेरी गुड. आज हम ये गेम्स खेलेंगे. ओके, आर यू रेडी? कम ऑन, आर यू रेडी? नाउ ऑन माय काउंट ऑफ 1 2 3. टच योर फीट. वेरी गुड. टच योर हैंड्स. वेरी गुड. Touch your eyes. Very good. Now touch your nose. Very good. Now touch your ears. Very good. Now touch your mouth. Very good. So this was the game that we play. So now what we have to do? Now this is the human stick. Okay, ये क्या है? ये human stick है. So today we will make a human body. Okay, we will make a human body. आज हम human body बनाएंगे. Okay, so you know the clay. आपको clay पता है? See, this is the clay. ये क्या है? ये clay है. So now we will make a human body with the help of the clay. ओके, आज हम ह्यूमन बॉडी क्ले से बनाएंगे. ओके, क्ले की हेल्प से हम ह्यूमन बॉडी बनाएंगे. नाउ कैन यू सी दिस इज अ 2 feet. ओके, ये क्या है? ये 2 feet है. और now this is the 2 hands. Okay, this is the 2 legs and feet. Now this is 2 hands and this is the head. ये क्या है? ये head है. Now with the help of clay we will make a legs. Okay, we will make first one leg. Okay, now take your clay like this and then you roll on your finger. Okay, आपको ऐसे roll करना है finger में. And then we will stick first with the first leg. Okay, ऐसे हम बनाएंगे. ये first leg हमने stick कर दिया. Okay, see, we will have fun by making this, right? See, this is one leg. So now we will make another legs. Can you see this? हम अब दूसरी legs बनाएंगे. Okay, this is another legs. See, you have to make like this, right? See, this is 2 legs. This is 2 feet, right? This is the feet. So now we have made these legs, right? So now we will make the hands. What we will make? We will make the hands. We will make 2 hands, okay? हम 2 हाथ बनाएंगे, okay? Now first we will stick this, okay? We will stick this, the human body. Okay, we will stick this first and then we will make 2 hands. Okay, we will make 2 hands. See, this is 2 hands. Okay, ये क्या है? ये 2 hands हैं. Now let's take the clay again and roll like this. Okay, you have to roll like this. After rolling you have to fix like this. Okay, फिर आपको क्या करना है? ऐसे fix करना है. This is the hands. What is this? This is the hands. You have 2 hands? Very good. आपके पास 2 hands है, right? Very good. Now we will stick another hand. Can you see this? This is another hand. See, this is a human body. See, wow, we are making a human body. Can you see this? This is 2 hands. See, this is 2 hands, right? So now let's take a head. Okay, I'm taking a smiley. What is this, beta? This is a smiley. Now we will fix this at the top like this. Can you see this? We will stick here. See? It's looking good, right? See, it's looking very good. Now, can you tell me that? What is this? ये क्या है बेटा? This is eyes. 2 eyes. So now this is the eyes, right? ये क्या है? ये 2 eyes है. We used to see with our eyes. See, this is the eyes, right? So now let me tell you that where is the nose? This is the nose, है ना? So can you see this? Where is the nose? This is the nose. ये रहा nose, है ना? ये रहा nose. ये देखो ये nose है, right? और ये रहा nose. Can you see the nose? Very good. अब हम mouth. What is this? दिस इज अ माउथ, है ना? ये क्या है? ये माउथ है। हम खाना किससे खाते हो? माउथ। वेरी गुड। अब बताओ इसमें माउथ कहाँ है? नाउ टेल मी वेयर इज द माउथ। दिस इज द माउथ। ये क्या है? ये माउथ है। ओके ये क्या है? ये माउथ है। दिस इज द माउथ। सी इट इज स्माइलिंग, राइट? दिस इज अ स्माइली फेस, है ना? दिस इज अ स्माइली फेस। नाउ वी हैव 2 ईयर्स, राइट? हमारे पास कितनी ईयर्स है? 2 ईयर्स। सी दिस इज 2 ईयर्स। सो इसमें देखो, कैन यू सी दिस? देयर इज नो ईयर्स। ओ, यहाँ पे तो ईयर्स है ही नहीं। अब क्या करें? नाउ व्हाट वी हैव टू डू? वी हैव टू फिक्स द ईयर्स। ओके, नाउ लेट मी टेक द ईयर्स. ओके, this is the ears. Can you see this? This is the ears. अब हम ears fix करेंगे. Okay, we will fix the ears. This is the ears. Now another ears we will fix. Okay, ये देख रहे हो आपको कितने years हो गए? 2 years हो गया है, राइट? कितने years हो गया? 2 years. See, we have 2 years. See, it looks like a monkey, right? ये कैसे दिख रहा है अभी? Monkey की तरह. Hope so you're having fun. You're having fun, right? See? This is the 2 ears. We are done making human body. देखो हमने बना लिया. This is the 2 legs. This is 2 hands. And this is 2 ears. And this is 2 eyes. This is 1 nose and 1 mouth. Right? Again, let me tell you. This is 2 ears. Right? ये क्या है? 2 ears. 2 ears कहाँ है? You have to touch. Okay? आपके पास है ना 2 ears, तो आप उसको टच करना है. You have to touch your 2 ears. Now this is 2 eyes. Right? ये क्या है? 2 eyes. So आपको 2 eyes पे टच करना है. This is the 2 eyes. You have to touch. Okay? Now this is a nose. ये क्या है? Nose. Now touch your nose. This is your nose. Okay? You have to touch your nose. Very good. Now this is the mouth. ये क्या है? Mouth. Very good. Now touch your mouth, everyone. This is your mouth. Touch your mouth. Very good. Now this is 2 hands. ये क्या है? ये 2 hands है. Where is your 2 hands? This is your 2 hands. Very good. Now touch your 2 hands. Very good. Now what is this? ये क्या है? ये legs है. Now this is the legs, right? So this is your feet. So you have to touch your feet. Touch your feet, beta. Everyone touch your feet. Very good. Now one more time we will repeat the game. Okay? अब हम वापस गेम खेलेंगे. Are you ready? On my count of 1, 2, 3. Now touch your feet. Very good. Touch your eyes. Very good. Now touch your ears. Very good. Now touch your nose. Very good. Now touch your mouth. Very good. Now touch your hands. Very good. Again let's play the game. अब वापस गेम खेलेंगे. ओके? आपको वापस टच करना है. ओके? अगर मैं आइज बोलूँगी तो आपको आइज पे टच करना है. ओके? अगर मैं नोज बोलूँगी तो आपको नोज पे टच करना है. ओके, अगेन आर यू रेडी? 1 2 3. Touch your feet, touch your eyes, touch your nose, touch your hands, touch your mouth, touch your ears. Very good. आपने किया ये गेम्स? Have you played this game? Very good. Again, अब वापस करेंगे गेम्स. 1 2 3. Touch your ears. Very good. Touch your feet, touch your eyes, touch your hands, touch your nose, and touch your mouth. Very good. Are you having fun? Are you having fun? आपको अच्छा लग रहा है ये गेम्स? See, we have done the activities, one activities, right? So now हम नेक्स्ट वीडियो में वापस गेम्स खेलेंगे. ओके, द नेक्स्ट वीडियो वी विल प्ले अनदर गेम्स. ओके, यू हैव टू बी रेडी. आपको रेडी होना है गेम्स खेलने के लिए. ओके, till then what you have to do, remember and recognize the games by touching the eyes, touching the nose, touching the feet, touching the hands, touching the mouth, touching the ears. Very good. Now you have to be ready for the games, the next games. Okay, आपको next games के लिए ready होना. You have to be ready. Okay, till then take care and thank you. Have a great day.